This is the cell body and is the cell's life support center. These are the dendrites and they receive messages from other cells. Here's the axon. It passes messages away from the cell body to other neurons, muscles, or glands. These little silver things are the myelin sheath. It covers the axon and some neurons and helps speed up the neural impulse. Here's the terminal branches of the axon. It forms junctions with other cells.
Neurons transmit messages when stimulated by signals from our senses or when triggered by chemical signals from neighboring neurons. Basically, the neuron fires an impulse, which is called an action potential, and that's just a brief electrical charge that travels down the axon. The fluid outside an axon's membrane has mostly positively charged ions. This positive outside and negative inside relationship is called the resting potential. The axon surface is really specific about what it allows to go in and out of its gates. Therefore, we call this being selectively permeable. Depolarization occurs when axon opens its gates and positively charged sodium ions flood through the cell membrane.
During the refractory period, neurons pump the positively charged sodium ions back outside the gates. Most signals are excitatory, somewhat like pushing a neuron's accelerator, making them go. The inhibitory is like pushing a brake, making them stop. If excitatory signals minus inhibitory signals exceed a minimum intensity or threshold, the combined signals trigger an action potential. The action potential then travels down the axon, which branches into junctions with hundreds or thousands of other neurons or with the body's muscles and glands. The neuron's action is an all or none response. Either they fire or they don't.